Hi there Kids Clubbers, it's time for another crafty video. Today you will need, we sent out this activity sheet to you, so you need to cut it out, but I'm not going to show you how to fold this because it's only for us, but if anybody else is watching this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chatterbox or a finger puzzle. And there's my cat, it's right under the camera. Anyway, without the cat, further ado, you need to have a square piece of paper. And if you don't have a square piece of paper, then all you need is a rectangular piece of paper and a pair of scissors. And if you fold it in half to make a triangle, a perfect triangle, then you can cut along the bottom, cut the bottom off. Ooh. The rectangle, and then you will have a square. So you're ready to make this. So I'm going to use this coloured piece of paper so that we can see the difference. So I've got dots on one side of it and it's plain brown on the other. So with the project that I sent to you, you can colour this side in. So we're going to look at it that the activity side of the sheet is the same as my dotted side of the sheet. Okay, so once you've learned how to fold this, you can make as many of these games up as you like, and you can play them to your heart's content. When I was little, we used to play them all the time. So the first thing you need to do is fold it so that it's face down. So all the writing should be face down, and you want to fold it in half like this, and then you're going to open it back up, turn it 90 degrees and fold it in half again and crease, make a crease. And then what you find is that you have a cross going through your paper, and we now know where the centre of the paper is. So turn your paper 45 degrees and fold the corner in to the middle and make a crease. Turn it 90 degrees so that you can then fold the next corner in, and keep going until you've folded all four corners to the centre. Oh, it looks like an envelope now, to the centre of your piece of paper. So you have them all like that. Then you're going to flip it over so that the open page is on the bottom and the closed square is on top. And you can still see that you've got diagonal lines going through your piece of paper. So we're going to turn it diagonally again, and we're going to take the corner and we're going to fold it to the middle and put a crease, turn it round, take the next corner and fold it into the middle. Oops. Make sure you've got a good crease, keep turning it round, fold it in and fold the last one in. So you've just done the exact same thing twice. So now you're going to fold it from the bottom piece up to the top and make a crease, and carefully make a crease in your paper. Open it back up and do the same again, and then you're good to go. All you need to do is you stick your fingers up to make peaks like this. There we go. And then when you play the game, normally what you'll find on the sheet that we've got life, he is risen, joy and Easter. So you would take the word joy and you go J-O-Y, and then inside there'll be some numbers, so it might say number 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then possibly you pick the next number, which maybe be 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you would open up the number in here. We'll have a look at it together. So I'm going to quickly make up this so that we can see how the puzzle works. So here we go. So we've got life. Okay, so L-I-F-E. And then we've got the numbers 1, 6, 8 and 3. So we'll pick 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll pick number 1, and it says, what happened 3 days after Jesus died? And it's got number 4 here. So if we look for the number 4, it tells us, Jesus answered, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14, verse 6. Okay, so that's how we make that craft. So as you can see, you can make it with any piece of paper, and you can put whatever you like on here. So I will catch you later. Take care. Bye.